Hey everybody, I just wanted to post a quick video just talking about what's been going on with me. I haven't posted anything new in a while. Back in the middle of October, I actually went to the Philippines, so since then things have been just a little bit crazy for me. I did post a new song this morning called Nyeng Chitao Gulushia, so I hope you guys enjoy that song. Um, I'd really like to work on some covers, and I'm just having a really hard time picking what songs I want to work on. So if you have any suggestions, you can post them here or send me a message, anything you want. I'm open to any suggestions. One exciting message that I got recently, I was actually invited to play at a Hmong concert in Wisconsin. So that was pretty surprising actually and pretty exciting. So I'm still trying to work out if I'll be able to do it. They gave me a couple of weeks to sort of think about it, I guess, and I haven't decided yet what I'm going to be doing, but I'm just really excited to have even been invited to do something like that. Um, I've been working on other projects too that I would really like to start sharing on here besides music. I grew up playing games on the NES, the Nintendo Entertainment System, and so I actually got a copy of Super Mario Brothers 3, and I've been translating it into Hmong, and I'm actually programming the Hmong words into the game. So I'm going to show you a picture of that here. And so hopefully I'll be able to get that done soon. Maybe I'll actually show you guys where you can download it. I don't know if that's legal. So I'll have to figure that out. Um, so basically, that's just a quick overview of where I've been, what I've been doing. And I just want to thank everybody again for listening to my music and kind of supporting me. And I appreciate all of the comments and all of the suggestions that I get. Um, I've really been overwhelmed. When I first started, I was just going to upload maybe one or two songs. I didn't think anything would really come of it. But now, over 11,000 views on my videos later, I guess things are going really well, and I just really appreciate everybody um, just continuing to listen and continue to support me. So I just wanted to say thanks. So that's what's been going on, and that's it for now. So I guess I'm gonna get back to it. All right, see you around.